In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add fixed assets in Zoho Books. If you are tracking items like computers, furniture, or equipment that provide value over multiple years, adding them correctly as fixed assets helps your book stay accurate and ensures depreciation is handled the right way. We'll walk through enabling the feature, finding the right place in the app, entering the essential details, and saving your new asset. First, open Zoho Books. Once you are in, we'll make sure fixed assets is turned on. Go to the settings area by clicking the gear icon. In the settings search bar, type fixed assets. From the results under the general section, select fixed assets. Check the fixed assets option to enable it. Then save. This switch activates the module so Zoho Books can manage fixed assets and apply depreciation according to your accounting settings. Next, access the Fixed Assets area on the left sidebar. Open the Accountant module and choose Fixed Assets. This page is your home base for viewing all assets, their status, and summaries. It's helpful to glance here first so you can see how your new item will fit into the list. To add a new asset, click the plus New Fixed Asset button in the top right corner. That opens a form where you'll enter the details that define the asset and how it's tracked. Start by filling in the asset name and code. Use a clear, consistent naming convention, something like Laptop Marketing or Office Chair HQ, so it's easy to recognize later. The asset code should be unique. Many teams use a simple numbering pattern to keep everything organized. Enter the purchase date as it appears on your supporting document, like the bill or invoice. Then enter the cost. Make sure this reflects your accounting policy for capitalization. If your organization includes certain setup or delivery charges in the asset's cost, keep that consistent here. Now assign the asset type. This selection matters because it determines the depreciation method and rate associated with the asset. Choose the category that best matches the item you are adding. The system will use that type to calculate depreciation going forward. So pick the one that aligns with your policies. If you are unsure, it's a good idea to confirm with your accounting guidelines before proceeding. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the asset. You'll see it appear in the Fixed Assets list, and Zoho Books will be ready to calculate depreciation based on the asset type you chose. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.